Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Most of us know Trans-Jamaican Highway as the company behind Highway 2000, but it doesn't want to stop there. The company is positioning itself to operate future toll roads, including the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. At its annual general meeting, CEO Ivan Anderson revealed that discussions are already underway with the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, or NROC, to make sure the two tolling systems can work together if Trans-Jamaican is chosen to operate the new highway.
These projects obviously have the potential to expand the TGH network, and so we continue those discussions. Hopefully when the time comes, we'll be able to make a proposal to also operate the Montego Bay bypass.
The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is a new tolled bypass currently under construction and is expected to be completed between late 2026 and early 2027. If Trans-Jamaican wins the operating contract, it would create another source of revenue beyond Highway 2000. But that's just one opportunity the company is chasing. It's also looking at the proposed north-south extension, a new highway that would branch off near Discovery Bay and run parallel to the North Coast Highway, giving motorists a faster route heading east.
So bypassing Discovery Bay, bypassing Priory, bypassing St. Anne's Bay, and connecting back to the North Coast Highway, and then also continuing bypassing Ocho Rios down to Prospect. So that's an exciting project. That's a very exciting project. And we have now begun discussions both with the government of Jamaica and with Czech about how we can participate in that project.
The expansion plans also come as the company continues to post strong financial results. Revenue rose 10% last year, while profits jumped 21%. With profits rising and debt continuing to fall, TGH shareholders can also expect large dividend payments over time.
So as we have more profits, as our debts get paid down, we expect that the dividends will increase. So if you look in our IPO, I think we have an average of 24.5%, I think is for the first 5 years. Dividend yield based on the original IPO price. And we're right in line, I think we're right in line with that. And so we expect to continue to increase that.
The company is also hoping to get more motorists using T-tags. Right now, just over half of drivers pay electronically, but Trans-Jamaican wants that to reach 60% by the end of this year and eventually 80%. It says the more motorists using T-tags, the smoother traffic flows through toll plazas and the less congestion there is. So while many of us see Highway 2000 as simply a road we drive on, Trans-Jamaican sees it as the foundation for a much bigger business, one that could eventually operate multiple toll roads across Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.